Here, this is my blog I'm implementing for the SEO on page. See here in my blog digitalrakesh.blogspot.in SEO on page code is there. So here is the main one. So simple here. Just copy here complete content up here. Take as notepad. What is my website is affiliate marketing. So I can give the keyword is called affiliate marketing. Pipe affiliate marketing training. Affiliate marketing videos. I give the 3-1. So I can go where in description. Simple. Copy the title. And go to your description. In a pipe symbol, I can put in for as a comma. Is it clear? So you can view this. Rakesh Tech Solutions provided by the affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing training, affiliate marketing video tutorial. Simple here. I can paste for done. Same one here. Just copy this keyword. Only keyword. Place for the this here. Now in the home page, common keyword is this. What is that? Is my company name. The keyword provided by the my company Rakesh Tech Solutions. Now what is that? Author. Author nothing but your domain name is your author. You can give the complete URL also. This content belongs to for AFM ante means called affiliate marketing video tutorial.blogspot.in. So here is common thing. One is called rating purpose, visitor purpose. It will check by visitor by every 2 days. Is robo nothing but indexing purpose. Distribution content will be complete for global purpose, not for the local. You content for the complete global. Now you're rating for save for all, like is not for the adults, some like that. We give this content. Now language supported by the English. Suppose your website will be Telugu. We can give the Telugu language. It's supported by here. Now here window target always content will be top. This is all over the default optimization. This one. So pics for all images. They supported by the all website images. Now indexing for Google bot, Yahoo search engine, Microsoft search engine, and Bing search engine. 4 search engine will be indexing here. One is called Google search engine and Yahoo, Bing, Microsoft search engine and Bing search engine. See, they all will be follow your website content here. So here Google bot, they support your images. They support by your images. Now here is a content purpose. They will be checked by your webmaster time. So one is a club and scooter and a web crawl. We can discuss by these steps will be discussed by our webmaster class. Is a common content from the content, and this is the ID from your content here. Is a common content from your HTML. Now simple here, copy this content. What you are working here? I'm writing for what is called title, meta description, meta keywords, and author. So here I'm preparing my on-page code. See this. What the title will be called? 70 characters. Description will be 160 characters, and keywords will be called. How many characters will be? 25 words. Is my author name. Just copy complete content. Write down steps. After prepare your on-page code. After preparation your on-page code, proper title. After prepare your on-page code, proper title, proper description, proper keywords, so copy the code, the option call is blogger dashboard. So where your website will be there, you can go website, that is called C panel. If your free blogger will be called, we go with the dashboard, this is called admin panel. Every blog will be called admin panel. Now go to blogger dashboard, the option call is theme, and option call is edit HTML. Theme, the option call is edit HTML. So we already discussed what that the code you always we can add by the header part only. So header will be start with the numeric 4, end with 647. In between the header, we can place any code on your on-page code. Now, what is that here? Title will be there. Enter. You can give the title properly. Where? I'm going to where? In my blogger dashboard. Option call is theme. I'm option click by edit HTML. I can place this code by your header part. In any place you can place the code, no issues. Any place. Not only for top, we can footer by header also. In a heading part also you can place this code. See here, title. We already discussed one thing here. If you forget this end tag, just look here. I'm saved this thing. It's perfect. It will be saved here. Look, careful watch. Saved. Suppose I'm missing for this end tag. Look what happened. What happened? Error will be occurred. So you can finish by proper end tag is must and should important. The code will be on your website or anywhere. You can proper closing tag will be important. It's clear? Now click for save thing. Any getting error? No. Now you go to your blogger, refresh. Then you refresh. Now enter for Control U. You can check by backend source. Look here. Done. Here blogger display by the two titles. Blogger display by the two titles. One is called here. Title will be there. They give by your blogger dashboard where in the settings. What is that? Without on page also we are writing your title here. So here in your blogger, what is that here? Description. No need add for the title description is a common thing in your title description in a blogger. So before that, just go to here, copy this one, description. See how many characters will support here up to 500 characters. What is the main character is only for 160 characters. Now click for save change. Without on page also we're writing for title. So simple that here. Just I'm take for the title here. Click this one. Remove it. Just click for save change. Done. Now just go to your theme. HTML. Here already I'm writing for title and description. Yes or no? So remove these two things. Why? Because all the default option is there. Title and description. Where? The settings. So no need to add by your title and description here. So clear? Now save for change here. Now you can go here, refresh. You can click for Control U. Just you're going to page source, refresh. Then this is your title. Now look here, careful watch. Write down question. How to activate meta description default writing for before default meta description on blogger. How to activate default meta description on blogger. Guys, look here. Here, they're not visible by my meta description. Look here. So simple here. You can copy this, your meta description. All the default option will be there. Just go to blogger dashboard. Head on steps. After copy the meta description, go to blogger dashboard. The option call is settings. In the setting, the option call is search preference. Go to the search preference. Look, the option is a setting. This option call is search preference. Here, the first option is called meta tags. In the option call is select by your description option. Click for edit. And option call is S. You can activate by here up to 150 characters here. They support up to 150 characters. Now look for save change. I'm going to setting option. Click for search preference. In this meta tags, option call is description. I'm clicking for edit. Click for S. You can copy your meta description in this. Click for save change. Now here, just look, refresh. We can refresh for here. So yeah, they continue update by here. Is it clear? The description by what is that? Rakesh Tech Solution provided by affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing training, affiliate marketing video tutorial, So we can changing in the description. You can like this also. So what writing here? Affiliate market training like this. You can like this. Remove this one. Affiliate marketing, training, video tutorial, online training, I can give for Hyderabad, Madhapur. So we are the more than description will be there. You can write by like this. Copy. Just go to where? Dashboard, setting, search preference, meta tags, description option. Click for edit. This one replace. Click for save change. Done. So previous, what is our description here? Affiliate marketing, affiliate market training, affiliate marketing video tutorial. Now refresh. Change. So already affiliate marketing is there. Your title will be matching. So what are we adding extra? Hyderabad and Somajiguda. I'm adding with the places by training, online training purpose. Why I'm writing for online training? So Hyderabad, Madhapur and Somajiguda. So what we not matching the title, we can writing by your description also. How many characters will be supported here? Up to 160 characters. But in a meta description by default they support by the up to 150 characters only. Is it clear? This is writing for on-page applied by your blogger. So what are the steps? You can write by on-page code for properly writing by your notepad. They implement by where? Title and description will be common in your description in your blogger. Title will be activated by your setting option as a basics. Is your title. Writing for the description will be matching by activated by your search preference by your meta tags. So clear? Remaining you can writing by your theme. You can use by edit HTML, write by the remaining code. Your author name and everything write by your to the edit HTML part. So clear? This is called we can activate by your on-page code by using with your bloggers.